Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to start with another chapter of our English literature. The name of the chapter is The Story of the Cricket, which is a very important and a very interesting chapter. Most of us, like Indians, and most of us love to play cricket, right? So we should know about the history, the origin of cricket as well. So this chapter basically explains about the origin, the history, where the cricket basically started from, who were the first people to play cricket, and which was the very first club in which cricket was played. So we'll be reading every bit of the detail of this chapter, right? So stay tuned. So first of all, we are going to start with the history of cricket, right? Cricket is one of the many forms of many games played with the ball and bat. We know that, right? And in England, from past 500 years, this has been played like from a long period of time. This game is being played, right? It evolved as a distinct game around 17th century. During the mid of 18th century, bats were roughly the same as hockey sticks, curving outward. So what happened during that time? The bats were not straight, they were curved like the hockey sticks. This you can see, this is again an image of a bat, right? At that time what used to happen, जो bowler होता था वो ground के साथ में ball करवाता था, because the bats were rolled, right? They were basically curved like a hockey stick. So one of the peculiarities, which means distinct characteristic of cricket, is that test match. A test match can go for 5 days, right, and still end in a draw, which means कि 5 दिन के बाद भी ऐसा हो सकता है कि एक specific conclusion ना आए, right? Another interesting characteristic is that the length of the pitch is 22 yards. So these are some points that you need to keep in mind. What are the characteristics or the features that make cricket a different game, right? So you need to keep that in mind. But the size of the ground remains unspecified. There are no specifications as to the size and the shape, right? There are oval as well as circular cricket ground. So that's what it's trying to say कि shape और size के related कोई specifications नहीं है cricket में, right? Now it's very important to learn about the rules of the cricket, right? The first written law, that was the laws of cricket, was drawn up in 1744. That was the first time that the law was written, right? So this law basically क्या करता था law, ये umpire को सारी powers दे देता था, right, to solve any dispute, which means कि umpire के पास सारी power आ जाती थी, right? He could take up decisions and everything. Okay, it specified the stumps to be 22 inches high and the bails across them to be 6 inches high. So these were the rules that you need to keep in mind, right? Now the weight of the ball was around 5 to 6 ounces and 2 sets of stumps of 22 yards, right? So these are some of the rules you need to keep in mind. Okay, I hope that you are finding it interesting. Okay, so the world's first cricket club, this you need to remember that the first cricket club was in Hambledon and it was in 1760. Then again you need to know about the MCC club, which was again founded in 1787. These are the points that you can even note down, they will help you, right? Now what happened, अब थोड़ी देर के बाद क्या होगा, initially हमने एक picture देखी थी जहाँ पे एक bat was just like hockey, वो curved up था, right? Now after that अब क्या हुआ, वो curved up bat जो है, it has been replaced by a straight bat. आजकल हम ऐसे bats use करते हैं, you have seen cricketers playing with such kind of bats. ये एकदम कैसे हैं, they are straight in nature, right? Now what happened during 1760s and 1770s, it became common to pitch the ball through the air rather than roll it along the ground. So अब क्या हुआ, पहले क्या होता था, roll करते थे along the ground ball को. Why? Because जो उनका cricket bat होता था, it was curved like a hockey. When it was converted into a straight bat, you can see, तो तब क्या हो गया, it became very common to pitch the ball through the air. अब वो air में डाल सकते थे ball को because it was straightened, right? So अब वो roll करने की जरूरत नहीं होती थी, right? So what happened, इससे क्या हुआ, bowlers के लिए नई opportunities निकल गई, like they could now spin and swung, right? So this was the opportunities for the bowlers and for the batsmen also. In return, the batsmen had to master timing and shot selection. Obviously, if the opportunities for a bowler is increasing, similarly the batsman has to master the skills in order to play well. So that's the time when a bat was changed from a curved bat to a straight bat, right? So I hope that you are understanding its implications also, right? So the first leg before law was published in 1744, and it was around the same time that the third stump became popular. You just need to keep these facts in mind, right? By the 1780, the matches were played around 3 days, and first six seam ball was created in the same time. Okay, now we are going to talk about the equipment. So cricket में use होती है equipment, right? So the most important equipment that is associated with cricket continues to be handmade till today. The most important equipment, that is the bat, right? वो आज तक भी that is handmade, right? They are made of natural pre-industrial materials. It's very important to keep this in mind. The materials, the equipments of cricket have been divided into two, right? The first one is we've talked about the bats, right? And second, the bats are handmade with leather, twine and cork. The protective equipments, अब दूसरी तरह की equipments कौन सी होती है? The protective equipments, the equipments that protect the people who are playing, protect the players, right? For example, protective equipments में क्या आएगा? Just imagine, pads, gloves, helmets, these are the equipments that is, protecting the player. So these are made up of synthetic materials. So synthetic materials are lightweight in nature, so that's how they are made. So you need to keep in mind. Right? Now, cricket was first played in India. Who was which was the community that played cricket? So that was the Parsis. Parsis was the first community that played cricket in India. Okay, you need to keep this in mind. These are again some facts. The first Indian Cricket Club was Oriental Club, that was again founded in Bombay, which was founded in 1848. Right? These are some of the points, guys. You can even note them down and you can learn them later. The Parsis had to build their own gymkhana following a quarrel with the whites for the Bombay Gymkhana. अब क्या हुआ? वहाँ पे उनकी लड़ाई हो गई थी Parsis की, but at the end the Parsis won it, right? Because of a match. They played a cricket match and at the end the Parsis won it. In 1889, Bombay Gymkhana, it was defeated, right? It was defeated by the Parsi team. So you need to remember that what was the storylining. Parsis were the first community to play and then they defeated the Bombay Gymkhana. I hope you guys are understanding it. Right? Now we are going to talk about modern cricket and technology. What is the role of technology in modern cricket? So modern cricket is dominated by test and one-day international formats. This is very evident, like you guys also see. So some of the great players. Now we are going to talk about the players. Indian fans still remember. Till date, Indian fans remember players such as C.K. Naidu, right? He was an outstanding batsman as well as he was the first cricket team captain also, right, of India, right? So he was one of the most important and famous player. India became a test playing nation in 1932. So you can see कि 1932 में India एक test playing nation बन गई थी, which is many years before its independence. अभी उसकी independence हुई भी नहीं थी, like India as an independent country. It got its independence in 1947 and you can see that many years before it started playing cricket. It became a nation which plays cricket. So test cricket was played among various parts of British Empire and not between sovereign states. These are again important points. The first match was played between England and Australia, right? So, we were talking about modern technology and cricket. अब modern technology और cricket में कैसे होता है? Like first of all, पहले जब television नहीं था तो क्या होता था? Coverage नहीं होती थी cricket की हर जगह, हर एक match की coverage नहीं हो सकती थी. But with the coming of the television, because of the technology, because of the satellites, अब छोटे से छोटे, like even in the smallest towns, cricket is available and it is also, live streamed over there. So that what happens is, children can learn cricket from there and they can follow their favorite players also, right? So television coverage, it totally changed cricket. It brought cricket to every household. मतलब हर एक घर में अब cricket हम देख सकते थे very easily. It also broadened cricket's social base. Social base means the people who are watching, the people who are talking about it, the people who are following cricket. So उसका जो social base था बहुत increase हो गया था cricket का with the upcoming of technology, right? With this satellite television, it is now possible to catch live updates of match played anywhere across the world. So you guys also must be catching live updates of cricket whenever you are traveling or you are outdoors, you're not at home to watch TV, so you catch live updates, right? I hope you do. So that's what it's talking about, that yes, we can catch live updates of match just because of the technology. Now, India has the largest viewership for this game. Undoubtedly, India में सबसे ज़्यादा लोग cricket ही देखते हैं because we as Indians, we are very fond of cricket, right? And it's a game which has been played over a long period of time. It's been many years that we are playing this game. 100 years ago, after the first Indian cricketers, the Parsis, had to struggle to play the game. But today, what happened today? The Indian players are the best paid. We can see that. आजकल के जो Indian players are, they're the best paid, most famous, and we love them so much, right? We follow them at everything that they do. They're everything. So most cricketers in this game, men for whom the world is a stage. So that's how our chapter ends, and it tells us that they are the people. The players are such men for whom the world is a stage. World is a stage means they come to the cricket ground and they perform. They entertain us in that way. So I hope that the text is clear to you guys.